Q Services, Qwashers. Just going to show you how to change the O-rings or change the full swivel on this hose reel. So what you simply got there, if you look carefully, you'll see the circlip. If you take that off, you'll then be able to pull and you'll see the seals. Now you can just change the seals. What you tend to find is, what happens is, with the outer casing being brass, what can happen is the actual casing itself is spinning round and round and round all the time. The brass housing can get worn. Sometimes it's more beneficial just to change the full swivel than mess around. Now, we have loosened this one off already, but what can happen is, if you're going to change that full swivel, what sometimes you're better off doing is putting a touch of heat just onto the system here. You're not bothered anyway, because you can have a fresh one to replace it with. A little bit of heat, because this 24mm spanner here will be tight. They normally come glued, so if it's fastened on the wall, it's not too bad. It gives you a bit of something to get hold of, but so you're better off doing it while it's on the wall and taking it off the wall to change it. So what simply happens, it is spring loaded, you can see on that spring, so it will pop off and it will jump off and bounce forward. All it simply is, you've got a washer there and a thread and an internal thread, and that's how to change it. Thank you very much, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and like I say, we do have these in stock.